Welcome back, everyone, to another great episode of Sellers Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, we are jumping into the 2017 Ford Explorer camshaft position location, the engine codes it will set, and the symptoms that you will experience if your camshaft position sensor is malfunctioning on you. So, what are we waiting for? Let's jump in it and get you back on the road. Welcome back, everyone. Before we get started, we're going to go over what the sensor does. A quick refresher before we get hands-on. The camshaft position sensor tells your Ford Explorer's computer the exact position of the camshaft so it can fire the fuel injectors and ignition at the perfect moment. If that data is missing or wrong, the engine control module can't keep proper timing and your Ford Explorer will let you know very fast. Symptoms of a failing camshaft position sensor. Here are the symptoms you'll usually notice when the camshaft position sensor starts to fail. Hard starting or long crank times. Rough idle and random stalling at the stoplights. Hesitation when you hit the gas. Decreased fuel economy. And sometimes it'll feel like the engine just loses power for a second and then catches again. All those can point to the sensor. Now let's go over the engine trouble codes that you can experience if your camshaft position sensor is failing. When you plug in an OBD2 code scanner, you may see one of these diagnostic trouble codes, P0340, P0345, P0349. Any of these mean the computer is losing or getting incorrect signals from the camshaft position sensor. Locating the sensor. Alright, let's go ahead and find this camshaft position sensor. Pop the hood and remove the plastic engine cover if it's equipped. You'll find two camshaft position sensors on your engine, one for each cylinder bank. Bank 1 is at the front of the engine on the right side. Bank 2 is at the rear of the engine on the right side. Each sensor is held in by a single 8mm bolt that has a quick disconnect electrical plug. Use a flashlight to spot them on the timing cover. Take your time, the space can be a little tight. Here's a little quick diagnostic tip and promo. Before you rush to replace anything, confirm the fault. A quick scan with a code reader lets you view the live data from the camshaft and crankshaft sensors so you can see if the readings drop out. Good news is that we have a compact OBD2 code reader for just $15 in our online store. It's the same tool I'm using here, and it plugs right into your Ford Explorer's OBD2 diagnostic port. Check the link in the description to grab yours and save yourself a lot of guesswork. And that's it. And now you know the exact 2017 Ford Explorer camshaft position sensor location, the engine codes to watch out for, and the symptoms that point to this issue. If this helped you out, like this video and subscribe to Sell Those Flipping Cars and ring that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future money-saving auto repairs. Drop any questions in the comment section below and share this with a friend who drives a Ford Explorer. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next DIY auto repair video.